Students, I hope you are all fine and safe. This is my part 5 video of chapter number 14, Geometry. In this, we are going to learn circles. Yes, I am defining what do you mean by circle. A circle is a closed figure, each of whose points is equidistant from a fixed point inside it. What is a fixed point here? O. Fixed point is called center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. A, B, C are any 3 points on the circle. All the 3 points are at the same distance from O. It means OA, OB and OC having the same distance, having the same length, all having distance, equal distance from the point O. Now, I am describing radius, the distance between the center of the circle and any point on it. On it means on the circle is called its radius. The distance between the center of the circle and any point on it is called radius. Plural of radius is radii. In this, OA, OB and OC are the radii of the circle and each radii having the same length. Chord, a line segment that joins 2 points on a circle is called a chord. In this, AB and CD are 2 chords of the circle. Now, this is a diameter, a chord which passes through the center of the circle is called a diameter of the circle. Diameter is both chord and it's also having the character because it passes through the center. That's why it's called a diameter. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. And the AB is a diameter. AB means AO plus OB. AO is the radius, OB is the radius. The radius, it means AO and OB are same. Then you will write 2 into AO. It means 2 times of radius is equal to diameter. If the radius is 6 centimeter, then diameter will be 12 centimeter. Radius is 5 centimeter, then diameter will be 10 centimeter. Every time diameter will be the twice of radius. Yes, I am describing arc. Any part of a circle is called an arc. ACB is an arc of the circle. In this picture, we are watching that ACB is showing that part of a circle. That's why it's called an arc. Semicircle, this is clear from the name. Half of a circle is called a semicircle. ACB is a semicircle and ADB is also a semicircle. In second picture, ACB and ADB are both the semicircles of a circle. And the ACB also representing and ADB also representing an arc of the circle also. Now, in last I am explaining what do you mean by circumference. The length of the boundary of a circle. The length of the whole boundary of a circle is called the circumference of the circle. Yes, students, in this video you have learned all the concepts of circle. Thank you and have a nice day.